If you have performed a simulation using Cloud HPC, in this example I have this case, the motorbike case performed using OpenFOAM, well, in that case you can take advantage of our automate post-process of the results. All you need to do is select a new analysis where virtual CPU is a lower number, RAM is high mem, under folder you select the simulations for which you want to generate the post-process of the results, and just select Cloud HPC post-process. You press save and automatically the system starts an automatic post-process. Once the remote desktop appears, you can enter your running case and you'll find an images and a folder named images and the name of the file you are exploring, and with inside of which there are gonna be the generation of all the post-process images generated from your input geometry. For example, in here we can evaluate the velocity field and have a look at the velocity field directly as computed by the OpenFOAM analysis. Once the post-process completes the generations, you have like plenty of images like a mesh, like the geometry, and like several other sections and slices. And once the post-process completes its image generation, you can go to the storage, and from the storage you can download all the images generated and they are compressed in a file named postprocess.tar.gz.